Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 INFINITI QX80 Signature Edition. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 5.6 V8 with 400 horsepower and 416 pounds of torque with 22-inch forged aluminum wheels, running boards, 5.6 badging on the side, a Napa tan leather interior with a light wood trim, sunroof, rear climate controls, third row seating, QX80 badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down 60/40 rear seats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, memory seats, illuminated door sills, wood and leather steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front, side, and rear sensors, hard keys for our media display, radio, climate control, heated seats, 7-speed automatic transmission, our different driving modes. This INFINITI has 30,658 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this QX80, visit us at feldmanimports.com.